Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. We are constructing a house. We are building a house in my hometown. There is no electricity within the environment where we are building this house, so we kind of rely on generator to power the house. But I thought to buy AKT street light to bring electricity to the environment where we are building this house. So we order this AKT solar electricity light. The one we got is 2-in-1 solar electricity. The one we purchased is 200 watts. So the AKT 200 watts all-in-one solar street light is a self-contained outdoor lighting solution that integrates a high efficiency solar panel, a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, and brighter LED light into a single compact unit. So we're going to talk about the overview, the features and the benefits. The key features are 200 watts equivalent brightness, provides significant illumination comparable to a traditional 200 watts halogen lamp. And this light is suitable for road, parking lot, pathways, and other outdoor environments. So in this case, we are putting this, where we are building a house in the land, and it's also all-in-one design, simplifies installation as there is no need for external wiring, separate battery or controller, stuff like that. So we purchased a pole and another small pole to connect this, but you need Allen key. And it's high efficiency polysilicon solar panel ensure rapid and effective charging of the battery even on cloudy days in some model. And some model are mono Starling panel for even better efficiency, and also large capacity lithium battery. This solar panel offers extended lighting duration throughout the night on a full charge, typically 10 to 20 hours depending on the model and depending on the mode and model. Some model are lithium iron phosphate battery for longer lifespan and stability. The light automatically turns on at the dusk and off at the dawn, providing hassle-free operation. Features of motion sensor. For selected models, some versions include a built-in motion sensor that increases brightness when movement is detected, saving energy when no one is around. And also it comes with remote control, which allows for convenient control of the lighting mode, brightness level, and on and off function. This solar light is also waterproof and durable, IP65, and constructed with a high quality weather resistance material, typical ABS, plastic, and aluminum to withstand various outdoor conditions. And this is also easy installation. It can be easily mounted on a pole, which we are doing. So we purchased one long pole and one shorter one, and to mount this, so easy installation, can be easily mounted on a pole or wall with included accessories, but you need an Allen key to tighten the knot. Energy savings and eco-friendly, utilize solar power, eliminate electricity cost, and reduce carbon footprint. And long lifespan, high quality LED chip offer a long lifespan, often exceeding 5,000 hours, minimizing the need for replacement. So this is what we have here. The benefits, cost saving, eliminate electricity bill associated with traditional street lighting, reduce installation costs, the all-in-one design, minimize wiring and installation complexity, low maintenance, durable components, and automatic operation, reduce the need for frequent maintenance. And also the benefits also enhance safety and security. When you have light like us that are constructing, it minimize cost and also enhance security. We want to mount this in our building site, so with that it kind of provides security, because sometimes if an intruder, if someone is coming to your property, if there's a light there, they will think someone is there. So by having this solar panel, by having this solar light, street light, it make the environment more secure in terms of it providing security. At least having a lit up area is also good for the environment. Also good that you can see someone from far. So this is the essence of it. So enhance safety and security. It provide reliable illumination for pathway, park area, other outdoor space, improving visibility and security. So we are putting this in our building site. Environmental friendly, utilize renewable solar energy, contributing to greener environment. And versatile application, suitable for a wide range of outdoor lighting, residential, commercial, and industrial use. So we are putting this in our building site to provide light in the environment. So this is what we have here. So generally, in summary, we are quite happy with it, and you can see the light. In summary, AKT 200 watts all-in-one solar lights is a powerful, energy efficient, easy to install outdoor lighting solution that offer significant cost saving and environmental benefits. But also keep in mind that the specific features and the specification may vary slightly depending on the exact model you purchased. So this one we have here is 200 watts, AKT 200 watts all-in-one solar street light. We purchased 2-in-1, so 2 are in the box. And yeah, so this, you need a pole, Allen key, and to put this together. And you can see at the end how the lighting is. So it's quite good from what we can see from the lighting, and we are quite happy with it. Yeah, we don't really have much regret. So this gadget deserves your attention. This is the unboxing and general overview of AKT 200 watts all-in-one solar street light. And yeah, we mounted this on our building site to increase the visibility and also kind of security also, because when the light is on, so we switch it on and control it, making it so when it's detect movement, the light will become quite a lot brighter, so you can control it with the remote control. And yeah, this deserves your attention, and yeah, it's highly recommended. So this is what we have here, AKT 200 watts solar light. Yeah, thank you very much indeed. And I thought to show you the unboxing, the installation, and overview. So I thought to show you. So only thing is just need to get a pole, depending on the type of pole. You can mount this, in the building or any particular way. In this case, we mounted it, use the cement to make it strong and secure. We mounted it on a pole. We purchased a long pole and also another small unit that goes with the light. We attach the light on the small unit, then the other unit to the main pole, and mounted this up. We will stay in purchase more, but in this case we bought 2 at the moment, so we're gonna buy more once we complete the building. So this is what we got here. So this AKT solar street light. Thank you very much. This gadget deserves your attention. Thank you, and this highly recommended.